Guys, welcome back to BURYTV. Today we're going to be working on our kombucha, making that fresh. We have our black tea, which we have boiled and steeped. We have our SCOBY, which we received from a friend. And then we have our vessel that we'll be putting everything into. So the first thing we did was make a batch of sweet tea. For the sweet tea, we did half a gallon of water to 16 black tea bags, and then added 3 cups of sugar to the mixture to make a sweet tea. And then we're going to be adding it to another gallon of water, and then I'm going to add another half gallon of water to get the ratio they wanted, the 2 gallons that we're going to need in order to make our first batch, the prime batch. So the first thing we're going to do is strain the tea. It is about room temperature now, which is what we wanted. We want to get out any little bits of tea that may have escaped the tea bag. Pour that right in. We have to get another 8 cups of water. 2, 4, 6. Run that through the strainer as well. Going to give us the 2 gallons that we're going to need in order to put our live SCOBY into to start the fermentation process for the initial batch. Now, one thing we want to do is make sure that we have clean, sanitized hands before we actually touch our live SCOBY, and also want to make sure that the tea is at room temperature. We're at about 90 degrees, which it is. And if it's hotter than that, then we're going to ruin the bacterial growth in the SCOBY, and it's going to be no good. So I think that's going to be okay. Again, washing your hands is very important before you actually touch your SCOBY. And we're going to take it out. Feels so weird. If we can. There. You go and fetch me the brain. Yes, master. And then this looks like half of SCOBY. Place that right inside, and then we're going to use its batch that it came from. Then, what we're going to do is to cover it with a towel. So we want to use a cloth towel, not a paper towel. It doesn't have to be wet. And then put a rubber band on it in order to seal it. Then keep the flies and bugs out of it, but still allow it to breathe. Then we're going to place this somewhere, set it, and forget it. for about 4 days. And when we come back, we'll give you guys the update on where we're at, and if we're ready to go to the next process, which would be step 2 in the fermenting process, which would be some bottling, and then we may even drink some of the fresh kombucha that we make. So I'll see you guys when that's done.